A pleasant evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The CB Group today broke ground on what it's calling its most ambitious project yet, which will see it relocating its poultry processing center from Kingston to the plains of St. Catherine. The move comes with a multi-billion-dollar investment, with an eye not just on the Jamaican market, but a regional one. Dashan Hendricks was at the groundbreaking and filed this report.
Today we break ground on our most ambitious project yet.
Mathelin, a director of the CB Group, announcing a landmark project called The Nest, a play on the poultry roots of the company. But this project is about more than just chicken. It's the group's first hybrid growth center, a single location to house multiple operations from the CB Group, including a research and innovation center for its poultry, as well as crops such as red peas, onions, sweet corn, Scotch bonnet peppers, and West Indian Sea Island cotton, in an area covering 750 acres.
Our investment over the next 7 years will be $120 million US.
That's about 15 billion Jamaican dollars. The money will build a plant with environmental benefits. It will help CB Foods to save 200 million gallons of water annually, and water used in the processing plant will be recycled to water crops. Biological waste from processing chicken will no longer go to the Riverton dump.
Our belief in lowering environmental impact is real, and the best way to achieve this is to convert the byproduct from our processing plant into a valuable poultry meal for export to high-end pet food plants, advanced technology at our protein recovery plant.
But reprocessed chicken waste converted into pet food is not the only export the CB Group is eyeing.
Our intention is to make CB chicken, Caribbean broilers chicken, available to people all around the Caribbean.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who took time out of his vacation to attend, called on other investors to follow suit.
I want to use this platform to say to all our investors, all our entrepreneurs, to our business people, the time is now to invest. The time is now to put your money in Jamaica.
For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In foreign exchange trading today, the US dollar closed at $128.50. The Canadian dollar traded at $102.50. Sterling ended the trading week at $166.16, while the euro traded at $149.50. Jamaican Teas reports that a 45% increase in its export sales pushed both its revenues and profit during the third quarter. The company said profit in the third quarter to the end of June was $68 million. That was more than double the $32 million it made in the same period a year ago. The price of oil rose sharply today. Oil for delivery in September ended trading today, selling for $48.51 a barrel. It was up $1.42, or just about 3%. Finally, this evening, the main JSE market index gained more than 2,810 points today, while the junior market index gained just a point. The winners included Berger Paints, CSE 2000, Carreras, Jetcon, the Cayley Group, Proven Investments, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Honeybun, Kingston Wharves, Panjam, Radio Jamaica, and Stationery and Office Supplies. That's your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great weekend.